Hey guys, Jim over at Easy Graphic Apps, and I'm going to walk you through a quick demo of our Easy Header and Banner app. Now, the Easy Header and Banner app is designed to quickly and easily create banners or headers for websites, ads, basically anything you need a quick image for, and it's very customizable and simple to use. So this is the dashboard once you log in. This is the screen you're going to land on. You can see there's a menu bar up at the top, and then there's some customizations up below this canvas area. And first thing you typically want to do is decide what size you want to create your banner. Although you can resize later, but you can plug in your custom dimensions down here and click enter. Um, Basically, you can create a banner image for 250 by 250, 500 by 500, 800 by 200, whatever dimensions you're looking for. So you simply plug them in here, click enter, and away you go. Now, you can build from scratch or you can use our built-in template. So I'm going to walk you through our templates really quickly. There's a huge template library that you can see here. I'll give you a quick preview covering many different categories with pre-built, fully editable designs done for you. So I'm just going to grab a template, then start showing you some of the key features so that way you can get an idea. I'm going to grab this pizza one real quickly. And you can see the template has a design size already built in, so it resized to meet the template. Now you can come in here and change your dimensions, and you're going to see part of the template's cut off. Well, that's because the only thing that's going to show is the area here. So you click preview and you can actually see what your image is going to look like, and you can see it's cut off. So we would have some work to fix there. Let's say we wanted to do that. Let's say we want to make a 250 by 250 banner based on the same template. Well, you can see it's going to cut us off a little bit, but we can quickly and easily fix it and simply drag and drop and resize items that we want to keep in our banner. So let's say we want to keep the name here, but maybe we want to move the whole background up, this whole banner up at the top, move it towards the top so we can see. Maybe we'll move the guy down a little bit, get the pizzeria in here. Oh, we want to squeeze some text in there. Now you notice I just squeezed the text. You can also change text by clicking on the text icon and keep the proportion correct by using the slider instead of what I just did. Now you can move the guy around. Maybe the guy's a little too big, so we're going to keep him so we have the same matching ad, but we're just resizing and moving things around. Now here's some cool features as well. In addition, let's say we want to make sure, see how this guy's in front of all the other items? But let's say you wanted for some reason to hide his hand behind the other bar. You can actually click on the object and then click on effects. Rather click on the object and then click on send backwards. It'll send that layer backwards. Sometimes you have to click a few times because there's a few layers up. You can see he got buried behind there now. Oh, we want to bring him back in front. We only want him behind the bar there. You can see we've got full flexibility, right? Obviously it makes most sense to have him probably popping out like he is right now. So we'll do that. And you can see it's simple, drag and drop, easy. Now, another cool thing is this text that's not standing out there. So we click on it and we want to change the color of the text. You simply come over to the color palette and pick a different color. Simple as that. Okay, that yellow looks pretty good, stands out. Of course, we want to keep the phone number there, so let's plug that in over there. And we could probably get rid of this call icon. I think it's pretty obvious, right? So now let's say we want to add some additional graphics. Well, we've got a bunch of built-in graphics, including borders, little badge type graphics, icons, basically a number of different built-in graphics that you could use for various occasions and various designs. So I'm scrolling through pretty fast, but as you can get the idea, there's a ton of graphics built into the system. Let's say we want to put a little phone on here. We resize it, we want to rotate it a little bit, and now we could actually move our phone number over there. But you get the idea. You could bring that to the front and then squeeze that in so it fits in the phone icon. Maybe stretch the phone out a little bit, right? It's not the best design here, but again, this is just a quick demo. In addition to all these built-in graphics, you also have the ability to, I'm going to make this a little bigger so we can work with it a little bit. You also have the ability to add in custom shapes. Now, the cool thing with these custom shapes is they're also colorized. So you can change the color to anything you want. And for example, you could put two of the same shape in and all of a sudden you've got a shadow, right? And of course, like all the other elements, you can expand, contract, flip, rotate. Again, anything you might need. All right, so shapes. Um, we can also, here's where you upload your own custom images. You simply click the little upload button and you go out and grab any image you want. You can upload it into the system. Now you can also change the background. This is the entire background. As you can see way back there, it's changed to this pattern. Switch that background to that pattern. You can even change the color of the backgrounds. So let's change it to a green. Obviously it doesn't match very well. We'll get rid of that yellow. You can change the background, oops, which is in effects. You can change it to be 100% transparent. So we can take a quick little preview. And that white area is actually going to be fully transparent. So whatever you put this image on top of, that color is going to come through. You can have a gradient. You can have different colors for your gradient. Quickly and easily, as you can see, that's all inside of the effects and the graphics area. That's where we're now. A couple other cool effects in here is under effects in the light category. You can add that shininess. You see that? See how it gives that added layer? And you might highlight a specific area, maybe even a corner, depending if you're what you're designing. But now I'll give you a quick preview and see how that kind of gives you that little extra glare in that corner. You can do the sunlight, you can do the bevel look, you can do a smooth light. They're all built into the system quickly and easily. You don't have to mess with complicated layers to get these awesome effects. All right, so we covered pretty much everything. The last step is once you have a design that you want and you preview it and it looks good, you simply click this download button. You can save it on your computer and use it anywhere. Now, in addition to all of that, if that wasn't enough, the system also gives you the ability to save your own custom templates. So you can come back and reuse your same template and just do a quick edit. And that's this save button here that will save it onto your computer. And this load button will load the template off of your computer. So pretty cool, pretty simple, easy software to use. You can create great looking graphics. Anybody can create great looking graphics with this software. It's so simple and fun to use. There's a ton of built-in templates to get you started. Of course, you can start from scratch if you prefer. Personally, I like to usually start with a template, get something that has a general look that I like, maybe change the background, a couple of quick fixes, and all of a sudden I've got my image ready to go. So that was it for Easy Header Banner and Graphics from easygraphicapps.com. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.